Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make South Indian style fish curry or Kerala style fish curry. It's very spicy curry, but with the fish it tastes so good. And I've added the ingredients in the description box, and let's get started. For the first step, I'm going to take all the spices and mix it with water and make it into a semi-gravy thick paste. So for that, I'm taking Kashmiri chilli powder, extra hot chilli powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek powder. Mix everything, and now we are going to add a little bit of water in there. I've taken warm water. You can use cold water too. And mix it so that there's no lumps in it. To an earthen clay pot, I've added coconut oil. And once the oil gets heated up, we are going to add mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Add finely chopped shallots, add curry leaves, add ginger garlic paste, saute this mixture till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic is gone. Now let's add the chili paste. Add a little bit of water as well. Add salt, mix everything and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to add the fish. The fish which I have taken is black pomfret fish, which I have cut and cleaned. Now we are going to add this. Now we are going to add fish tamarind. Add some more curry leaves. Give it a mix. And we are going to cover and cook it for 15 minutes. Cover and cook it for 15 minutes on a medium flame. After 15 to 20 minutes, you see now my fish is fully cooked. For the final touch, we're going to add a little bit of fenugreek powder and a little bit of asafoetida powder. And now we are going to mix everything. You're not going to use a spoon or a ladle. You're going to mix it like this. Final touch, add a little bit of coconut oil, and now you can turn off the stove. Now your delicious South Indian style fish curry or Kerala style fish curry is ready. And if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy the recipe. Thank you.